Academic year 2019-2020, grade 5, third term, French online lessons, lesson 11, les instruments de musique, les instruments de musique, musical instrument. How about learning some vocabulary related to the music field, musical instrument? Let's see. Le clavier, keyboard. Le piano, piano. Le trombone, trombone. Le saxophone, saxophone. Le violon, violin. Le violoncelle, cello. La batterie, drum set. La clarinette, clarinette. La flûte, normal flute. La flûte à bec, this kind of a flute where you blow from here. La guitare, guitar. La trompette, trumpet. Again we will see the words. Les instruments de musique, musical instrument. Le clavier, le piano, le trombone, le saxophone, le violon, le violoncelle, la batterie, la clarinette, la flûte à bec, la guitare, la trompette. Note, when we want to tell to play a musical instrument, there's a special form is coming in French language. In English we tell I play drum set, I play the guitar, I play the drum set, I play the flute likewise. But in French, if we consider a masculine singular instrument starting with a consonant, what is it? Masculine singular instrument starting with a consonant, we use the form jouer du. For example, to play the piano, jouer du piano. To play the keyboard, jouer du clavier. To play the violin, jouer du violon. Like that we use jouer du for masculine instrument. Here masculine instrument means the words for the musical instrument starting with le clavier, le piano, le trombone, le saxophone, le violon, le violoncelle, like that. So we use jouer du. So it's up to you to complete this. To play the saxophone, jouer du saxophone. To play the trombone, jouer du trombone. Then if we have a musical instrument which is a feminine one, which is la, when we want to tell we to play the flute like that, we use de la. Jouer de la flûte. Jouer de la flûte. To play the drum set, jouer de la batterie. Jouer de la batterie. To play the guitar, jouer de la guitare. Jouer de la guitare. To play the clarinet, jouer de la clarinette. Jouer de la clarinette. So remember the important thing, jouer du we use with masculine singular instrument and jouer de la we use with feminine singular instrument starting with consonant. This is also masculine singular instrument starting with a consonant. We use jouer du, jouer de la with feminine singular instrument starting with a consonant. Remember that the difference in English to French is, in French extra preposition is there, extra preposition form is there. Du with masculine singular musical instrument in front of masculine singular musical instrument, de la with in front of feminine singular musical instrument. So please note those important things. You can take a photocopy or print out of this and paste it in your writing book. It's very important to know the vocabulary there with the musical instrument. So keep it, remember the note is very important. You can take the note, take a printout, or you can draw the words, draw the pictures and the words, name the words in French and in English. Anyhow, you have to keep the notes with you. This lesson is important, and this is the part 1 of the lesson instrument music. Part 2 we will see in the next another video. So you can subscribe for my channel Sangeet French Flow, and you can put your comments on each video, and you can post questions. I'm always ready at any time to help you with the things you didn't understand. I will definitely give you the solutions for your questions related to French lessons. We'll meet in the next lesson, lesson instrument the music part 2. This is the part 1. We will see the part 2 next lesson.